Pygame Rect, what are the arguments? I know this may sound stupid, but the Pygame documentation on their website says that it is. However, in my program, I cannot figure out if that is true, or if the arguments are actually two sets of coordinates. I'm not nearly experienced to find out by looking through the Pygame source code.
Both of them work. Class Pygame.rect Pygame object for storing rectangular coordinates rect left, top, width, height, greater than rect left, top, width, height, greater than rect object, greater than rect. So, if you have coordinates, x1, y1, and x2, y2, both of the following would work.
If you want to see her, please consider